Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of practical yet stylish home accessories. If you're like me, you appreciate when functionality meets aesthetic appeal. And today, we've got something truly special: the best backlit address numbers for houses currently on the market. These backlit address numbers aren't just about enhancing curb appeal. They're about ensuring your home is easily identifiable, day or night. Crafted from premium materials, they're built to withstand the elements while maintaining their crisp, illuminated display. Let's break down what makes these numbers stand out. Firstly, durability. Crafted from mentioned material, they're designed to last, no matter the weather conditions. Rain or shine, these numbers keep shining bright. Installation is a breeze, requiring only basic tools and a few minutes of your time. Simply follow the step-by-step guide included, and you'll have these numbers up and shining in no time. Aesthetically, these numbers elevate any home exterior. Their modern design complements a variety of architectural styles, adding a touch of sophistication to your property. Now, let's talk performance. The LED backlighting ensures these numbers are visible from far away, making it easier for guests, deliveries, and emergency services to locate your home, day or night. So, whether you're upgrading your home's exterior or searching for a thoughtful housewarming gift, these backlit address numbers are the perfect choice. Trust me, your home will thank you for it. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product insights and reviews. Until next time.